Welcome guys to Bifa Tech. So this is Itel S17. So we're about to do the FRP bypass after hard resetting the phone. So just follow the step closely as you can see in the video so that we'll be able to bypass this security lock. So now click on permission, then search, then you can type setting, yes. Okay, I just wait for it to appear. Good. So just clean one of the T, possibly add one to it. Good. So click on setting, then open. Then now let's go to app and notification. Then click on see all, then show system. Yes. Then Android setup. Okay. Good. And click on that one, Android setup as well. Then force to stop. Good. So just follow the step closely guys, as you can see in this video, and this is going to guide you through on how you can bypass the FRP. So let's look for Google Play service. Yes. Good. So disable the app. Let's go back. Let's see if it will work. Let's go back. Let's go back to the very beginning. Yeah. Here you see stats. Yeah. Let's keep on going, tapping back. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button. Remember to support us, click on subscribe button, notification bell so that you can see more of our videos like this. Thanks to all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always being there for us, and thank you for supporting our channel. Now at this point, it will keep on rotating, it will move. There's something wrong. So no matter how you try that till next year, it won't do anything. Let's try if it still work. It still never work. So what we just to do now, let us return back to the very settings that we were before. So let's go back. Let's see. Good. Stop. Good. Okay. What you can see guys, just follow the step very closely. Hope you are watching guys. So type of setting as well as just the step you follow initially. So just follow that pattern too. We are returning back now to the system setting. So we want to enable the Google Play service back. Yes, without enabling that Google service back, you cannot set up this phone. So that's what we want to do now. So app notification, see all app, system setting, good, show system. Now let's look for Google Play service. Everything is still there. Yeah. So Google Play service. What we just need, that's what you're holding the phone right now. Good. So you see it's disabled already. Now just for us to enable it back. Yes. Yes. And let's go back. Let's go back and see the setup now, if it's going to work now. I believe at this point in time the phone's supposed to work. So now let's watch. Let's go back, then start the setup again. Start. Good. Skip. Good. So let's just wait. At this point you will see it now that it will work. Remember to connect your Wi-Fi. Remember to connect your Wi-Fi. Because without the Wi-Fi you cannot set up the phone. Just give it some time. It will start up. It start up. Just give it some time. That is it. So you can see it's good to go. So just follow the step closely, and you will succeed. So that is just it. So do all your necessary setup. Select your country. Yes, select your country. Good. That is it, guys. So the phone is unlocked successfully. No more codes, no more FRP. So you see, that is just a simple technique for you to be able to bypass the FRP on Itel S17. So if this step work for you, please drop your comment. We need your comment. Drop your comment so that YouTube will recommend our video to other technicians. Please, if you have not hit on subscribe button, please do well to hit on subscribe button. Click on notification bell. Share this video to other technicians so that YouTube will recommend our video to more and more to other people. So just to confirm, let's go back to the setting and confirm to see if the whole setting are in order, so that when the customer wants to use the phone, it won't experience any difficulties. So just make sure you check very well before handing the phone back to the customer. Yes. So let's look for the Google Play service. So just scroll. All right. So that's just it. So you just keep scrolling until you see the Google Play service. Yeah, that is it. So you see, it's still enabled. So that means the phone is good to go, and the customer will be free to use the phone without any issue. Yes. Just try to disable this thing and try to set it back just to make it work smoothly without any issue. So that is just it now, guys. So stay blessed and stay tuned.